Intelligent factories and integrated supply chains are the critical Pharma 4.0 elements. These will be the cornerstones of innovation and efficiency for pharma manufacturing. The current challenges within pharmaceutical systems are multifold, ranging from manual processes to decision-making complexities. Enter the transformative power of AI, ML, and IoT, marking a shift from reactive to proactive operations in the pharmaceutical realm. At GS Lab GAVS, we specialize in delivering transformative outcomes. Here are some glimpses of our real-world solutions and impact we have made. At GS Lab GAVS, we are equipped with end-to-end capabilities across advanced technologies at every step. GS Lab GAVS helps bring you intelligence-driven transformation rapidly and at scale.